For over a decade, Linda has been the heart and soul of her neighborhood bakery, known for serving up fresh pastries and warm conversations. She knows her customers by name, remembers their favorite treats, and takes pride in making her bakery a cozy spot that feels like home. But as new bakeries pop up with sleek apps and online ordering, Linda starts to worry. She's concerned that her beloved shop might get overshadowed by the convenience of tech driven competitors. Enter the AI chat assistant, a virtual helper that's like having an extra set of hands. This smart assistant answers questions, takes orders, and even manages bookings, all while Linda's in the kitchen perfecting her famous recipes. It's customizable too, so it can respond to customers in the same friendly tone they're used to from Linda herself. Now, Linda's bakery has never been busier. The assistant handles the tech side, freeing Linda to do what she loves most: chatting with her regulars, greeting new faces, and baking the treats that keep everyone coming back. Thanks to a small dose of tech, Linda's bakery is thriving, blending her personal touch with the convenience customers appreciate. Just a simple upgrade, and Linda's Corner Bakery stays as sweet and welcoming as ever.